Hi, Bill Kaufman with Remote Trading Room. Well, it's Friday. The market just closed about 20 minutes ago. So let's look at 3 sets of options and see if there's anything unusual. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. All right, let's go to the chart.
All right, we're on the charts. This is the Thinkorswim trading platform. I'm on the simulated trading page, but since the market's closed, these numbers are the exact numbers that the market closed at today. Got the trading page, SPY, we're going to look at first. This is the S&P 500 ETF. And let's go down to the today's option statistics. Open it up. Calls traded today, over 7 million, over 10 million puts traded. Gives you a put to call ratio of 1.424. All right, let's see what actually happened. Open up time and sales. Whenever you do that, give it a, 1 potato, 2 potato for the numbers to fill in. And it looks like they're coming in. Okay. And just to review with the option time and sales, this column, of course, the time when it took place. I'm in Pacific time zone, so this is 3 hours behind New York. This is what option it was, how many, what was the price. Remember, prices, these are in per share, like this says 0.38, so that's 38 cents per share, but options trade in 100 block shares, so that's $38 per option. The market, the delta, implied volatility, underlying, and condition. Was it a spread? Was it an outright? Okay, and continuing on. The first two are the biggest trades for the call. You had 3,000, 15 September, 460 calls at 728, part of a spread. And biggest put, 10,000 of the 18 August 450 puts, 219. And you can see that it was part of a spread. Okay, and you can see those times. These two are joined up same time. These also are joined up same time. So where usually Thinkorswim has greens as buys, and reds as sells, and whites we're not sure of, but we think buys. But today I'm not too sure if they got the red and green correct. Because if this was a 453 and they say a red, or excuse me, a green where they bought it, makes more sense they would sell the 449 under it. That would be like a debit spread. So if you buy that and sell that, 59 cents difference per share. So you go buy 100, $59 times 10,000, 590 grand. Their profit, of course, 453, 449 is $4 times 100, 400 minus the $59, so it's 341 times 10,000. That's 3,410 grand. So if it gets down there, they'll make a lot of change. And of course, it doesn't have to get down to 449. It just has to start heading that way. So we're at 456 right now. So say by Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, it's gone down just maybe 450. They could always cash out and take away a nice profit. Looks like something similar right here with these two. And of course, these two really are debit spread by clear. It's where they bought the 436, they sold the 432 underneath. And their difference, 39 cents. And it's $4. So again, that's about $3.61 times 9,000 times 100. Be a nice profit. It goes down. That's 15 September to get the 436. So just get 436. That's about a 5% pullback. So it could happen. Because they're pretty much saying these are like indicating the market for them is going to go down. And then we get to, oh, here's an outright. It's wide. No condition off to the right side. And I'll go ahead and highlight the row for you. 15th September 430 put, 5,000 of them, 193. So that's like $200 times 5,000, close to $1 million. So, guess down to 430, they could be looking at a very nice bit of change themselves. Anyway, so they can see that we have some more, kind of like up above. They're looking at 430s, 445, 425 puts, buys on those. So it's pretty interesting. Look, I would say most everything is, the trend here would be they're looking for the S&P to go down between now and say 15th September, which is 6 weeks away. Okay, let's take a look at another one. We go up here and we're going to put in the QQQ. And that is the Invesco Trust for the QQQ. This is sort of like the NASDAQ, mirrors the NASDAQ. Look at the option stats. Calls, 3.1 mil. Puts, more puts again, 5 mil. 1.577 put call ratio. Okay, let's see what it did time and sales. And again, give it a little time here to fill in. Oh, you can see some big ones already. And that's interesting. All right, the big one for the call side, 15 December 405 call, 5,000, 1081, 65,000 puts for 15 September 312 put for 52 cents. And that one is a spread also. Let's take a look, see what we got. Oh, this is very interesting. This could be a type of calendar spread where you buy it in one month and selling or buying in another month. Like here these two right here, both have a 948.41. One's 15 September, one's 15 March, 345, 285. So they could have bought this one and sold that one. And what that does, so in the near term, they believe the Qs will stay above 285. And so they sold it for 27 cents, of course, times $127 times 50 grand. That's a big number also. But then they probably bought this one, the 345 put, and it's out in March. So this is where short term they think it's going to stay above 285. Long term they believe it's going to go down. And 345 from 383 is about a 10% move, a little more. They paid a fair amount for it too. There, we get back to it. $871. So that's $800 times 50,000. But it's quite an indicator that they believe that recession may happen in the fourth quarter or first quarter next year. Let's go on down. We see some more. These are just a lot of outrights because look at that, no spreads over here on these. 344 puts, white's usually a buy. 368 puts, usually a buy. 350 put. This one is tied. Doesn't say it's tied together, but it sure looks like it, doesn't it? It's where they sold the 360 and bought the 5,000. And it's only for 11 August, a couple of weeks away. So that could be a spread. 405, 395. It's pretty interesting. The big one's up here though. 65, 50,000. Expecting a downward move. Okay, let's close this up and let's go to IWM, the iShares Russell 2000 ETF. Okay, today's stats: 650,000 calls, more puts, 913,000. Put to call ratio 1.4. All right, let's see what happened. Time and sales, give it the old 1 potato, 2 potato for time for them to settle in. And big call 210 for 20 October, 9,210 call. That's in a spread. The put, the 187 put for 15 September, 18,720, 185. That's in a spread. And there it is right there. Okay. So we have this 187 put. We got 3 of them, 4 of them. First two, 184, 187, 184, 187. And it always looked like they're buying 187, selling the 184. Which again, they're thinking it might be going down also. Okay, there's some more. Boy, a lot of spreads. 180 selling, buying the 185, selling the 175. Again, expecting a downtrend by the 15th. And we got some more. Buying 187, selling 184, buying 187, could be selling 184. So again, just looking at these, it almost looks like most of them are expecting a downward trend. Okay, well let's look at the options for Friday after closing at the 3 big ones, the NASDAQ and the Russell and the Spider for the S&P 500. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, go to remotetradingroom.com. Okay, thank you very much.